Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Memories by Maroon 5. Now before we can play this song, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 5 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, C major, D minor, A minor, and B flat major. If you know how to play those 5 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the other portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is F major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, and then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the third fret. This is C major. The next chord is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, and then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the second fret. This is D minor. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is A minor. And the last chord for this song is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the first fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, and then take your fourth finger and press down on the fourth string of the third fret. This is B flat major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 3 beats, C major for 5 beats, D minor for 3 beats, A minor for 5 beats, B flat major for 3 beats, F major for 5 beats, B flat major again for 3 beats, and C major for 5 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to learn the strum pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, tap, down, pause, tap. Let's play that string pattern now on the F major chord. Down, pause, tap, down, pause, tap. 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 And now let's combine the chord progression with that string pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Memories. There's a time that I remember when I did not know pain, when I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feels like December when somebody say your name, 'cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day, yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday, hey, hey. But everything gon' be alright. Go and raise a glass and say, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. Do 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 do. Memories bring back you. And at the end of each chorus, you're just going to pause for 4 beats before jumping right back into that chord progression. It should sound something like this. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, And the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know. Now, if you want to play along to the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Memories. And that's how you play Memories by Maroon 5. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out the rest of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.